Hello and welcome in this type of stock which is called DKNG stock on 8th December. Let's see that with the steps in this video. Okay, we can go for two trend lines and we have to say that this DKNG stock has an absence of wave here, and we can say that it has also another absence of wave that could happen in this place. So that is going to be available also in this kind of movements. Okay, maybe if we return it back here, we don't have an absence of wave, but that have started on 2022 on October, and it may can extend to December. So that means in December may have an absence of wave also, and that give us an indication that the DKNG stock would decrease next time here with this type of movements. And that's what I could notice about what could happen on this DKNG stock, right? That what I could explain about surprise prediction news today that was going on DKNG stock, and good luck on another episode.